Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long does a whole home repipe take? Whole home repipes typically take between 2 days to an entire week to complete, depending on the size of your home and the type of piping system already in place.
Take our lead.
The average cost to replumb, also known as repiping, an entire home or installing new plumbing in an existing home is $8,250. Costs for replacement or newly installed plumbing range from $1,500 to $15,000 or higher for the U.S. in 2019 according to HomeAdvisor.4 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Roughly 70 to 80 years. Copper piping remains extremely common in plumbing systems across America. Copper pipes last roughly 70 to 80 years, so if your house was constructed fairly recently, your copper pipes are probably in good shape. 19 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Replacing small sections of piping will cost between $355 and $1,842 with an average of $1,085. Repiping an entire home or installing new plumbing will run anywhere from $1,500 to $15,000 or more. New water pipe installation projects are bid by the fixture, like a toilet, sink or bathtub.
Let's help you make your mark.
Replacing all of the plumbing in a 1,500 square foot, 2-bathroom home with copper piping costs between $8,000 and $10,000. But using PEX would cost just $4,000 to $6,000, according to Gove. That's because of lower material and labor costs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.